Hello everyone. We, the students of Orange House from class 9A, are presenting the integration of different dance forms of Ladakh and West Bengal. We are here to present some of the famous dance forms performed in both the places. Firstly, we'll talk about Ladakh. Ladakh, also known as Langhai Passes, is a region in northern India. It is located between Kunlun mountain range in the north and the main Himalayas to the south. Ladakh is well known for its remote mountain scenery. It is inhabited by a mix of Indo-Aryan and Tibetan people. Their language is an archaic dialect of the Tibetan language. It is sometimes called Little Tibet because it has been strongly influenced region in the area. Now we'll talk about the dances of Ladakh. One of the most famous dance performed in Ladakh is Kathak Chenmo. Kathak Chenmo is a dance style for the nobility in celebration of the glory and dynasty of Ladakh. Kathak Chenmo translates as the large roof. It's a reference to the huge balcony of the 7-storied Leh Palace, which could be visited even today. During the reign of the kings, this dance was exclusively performed in the honors of the kings in Ladakh. Now we'll talk about Jabro. It is unique to the nomads of Chatang region to the east of Ladakh. Men and women come from two strings and dance to the tune of traditional instrument Dramnyan or lute. It has a major influence from the Tibetan culture. Even today, the style, tempo and the instruments that accompany Jabro is distinctively Tibetan.
West Bengal is a state in the eastern region of India along the Bay of Bengal. It is the fourth most populous state. It is also the 8th most populous country subdivision of the world. Part of the Bengal region of the Indian subcontinent, it borders Bangladesh in east and Nepal and Bhutan in the north. It also borders the Indian states of Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, Sikkim and Assam. The state capital is Kolkata, the third largest metropolis and 7th largest city by population in India. West Bengal includes the Darjeeling Himalayan hill region, the Ganges Delta, the Rahar region and the coastal Sundarbans. The state's main ethnic group are the Bengalis, with the Bengali Hindus forming the demographic majority. Now, we will talk about the famous dance forms of West Bengal. Number 1 is Rabindra Sangeet dance. It will be great to know that Rabindra Sangeet dance of West Bengal. Most of the young people, including girls, perform this dance. It will be nice to know that this dance is performed even in many foreign countries. People come here in West Bengal to cherish the place of Rabindranath Tagore and enjoy the dance. The second one is Tusu dance. If you want to experience the traditional Santhal dance, you must realize this place. The Tusu dance has its own beauty. This dance has its own beauty and culture. It is also performed during the month of Pause. It is found in the month of December and January. The Tusu dance of Birbhum district is very famous.
Now we are going to talk about the similarities between the dance forms of Ladakh and West Bengal. Both Ladakh and West Bengal have their mesmerizing dance forms which are eye-catching. Their dances add to the beauty and glory of both the places. Their costumes differ immensely and their styles are unique in their own way. We can actually not find any big similarity between the dance forms of both the places. So this was a presentation made by Orange House students of class 9A. Thank you so much.